Hey everyone, this week we danced our way from Lisbon, Portugal to our heaven on earth San Sebastian, where we laughed at Jono's expense as always and we broke down along the way.
Poor old granddad, I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know.
Well, I wanted eggs, avocado on toast. We don't have any toast and I couldn't be bothered going to the Aldi or whatever because it's raining outside, so I'm going to make some Australian damper. Easy, flour, water, pinch of salt, in the oven.
Hopefully he's going to put some chocolate or something in there.
Chocolate damper with avocado, egg and spinach.
Maybe ditch that and...
No.
Yep.
I think we've got a flat tyre by the sounds of that.
Alright. Lucky we bought a hazard kit. Hey, Safety Sam.
That's part of the French law.
We've just had to pull over on the highway and put out our triangles because we heard a bang.
Huh?
And we thought it was a flat tyre.
Not a flat tyre.
What is it then?
I'll let you know when I find it. It's not a pop tyre. That's what it sounded like.
Yeah.
But
What the hell is that?
I think we must have run over something. Or it's been sitting wrapped around the tyre for a while. I need to.
Are these the rules in Australia where you have to put that? So you have to put this on, which obviously
No, this is France. France, you have to have a kit where you have a high vis, some light protectors, 3 hazard triangles, breathalyzer, and all that sort of stuff. It's actually quite handy.
Yeah, it is good. And we are on the highway.
Let's see if that is the actual problem, though.
Yeah.
I would say so. It's really cool.
So we've gotten about 100 metres and we've heard that noise again. I don't know what it is.
So it appears that that popping sound was a brake pad. Apparently, might be. We've been given a place to go to. It's 12 minutes away, but that's going the speed limit. We're currently going maybe 3 kilometres an hour. The mechanic said it was right to drive. I suppose today we will not be going to San Sebastian. Now being given a police escort to the mechanic. This guy up here is helping us get there apparently. Police escort is now finished. He's delivered us through the town. What a strange thing, eh? Excellent guy, really appreciate it. Said mucho gracias at the end, you know, adios, good old handshake. Very strong handshake, by the way.
You know what that means? I don't know. Better than a wet one. Sloppy handshake.
I'm glad he didn't give me a wet one. Recap of what's happened this morning is that we were driving on the highway and I heard this sound. I thought it was a pop tyre because it felt like a flapping sound. Parked on the side of the road, put the hazard triangles up. Found out it wasn't a pop tyre but all the tyres are good to go. Found some stuff that was wrapped around the axle. Thought it was that, wasn't that. Went to about 3 mechanics. We got sent to all different places. We eventually ended up in this place. Couldn't tell you where it is at the moment. And they said, yep, we'll look at it, but we can't look at it today. We'll look at it tomorrow.
Google Translate said this.
Google translates. No one speaks any English. But the people are nice enough. I'm pretty sure what he said, because the owner didn't want to actually use Google Translate. I think what he said was, I own a motorhome. I know how it feels. If you need water, anything like that, you can stay here as well. So we're now staying in the back of this mechanic's place.
Have a little peep here.
And
tombstones. They make tombstones.
They may look like, little bits of limestone and things like that. They're headstones, like the plaques that people put on their graves. So we'll be sleeping there tonight. So wish us luck. There's the van. There's the tombstones.
Wish we could buy a new van.
So we're going to go to Lidl and stock
Get
up
some
on
treats.
some treaties. Make today feel a little bit better.
It's
but
cold.
Positive thing is it was in Spain, so hopefully the mechanics here will be a little bit cheaper. And the other one is we get some free accommodation for maybe 1-2 nights, maybe a week, who knows. So San Sebastian, we'll be there soon.
don't ever let it show. Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, can such a pretty show will steal your heart away. But backstage, back on earth again, the dressing rooms are grey. They come on strong, and it ain't too long for they make you feel a man. But love is blind, and you soon will find you're just a boy again. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Billy, turn around.
Come on.
When you want her lips, you get her chick. Makes you wonder where you are. If you want some more, then she's fast asleep. Leaves you twinkling with the stars. Poor young grandson, there's nothing I can say. You'll have to learn just like me, and that's the hardest way. Yeah. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know.
How did you get in
Sarah.
this? I'm trying. How did you get in this predicament?
Sarah, my knee.
Oh my hands. I don't know what to do.
Sit with this.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. How did you get in this? Good job, Billy.
You didn't, you just pushed me off.
How did
My
you
knee was
do
stuck
that?
in there and all my weight went forward.
Oh, so good.
Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now.
Hey everyone, so we finally have the car fixed and good to go. Found out it was a bolt in the brake pad and snapped, so the brake pad was hanging down like this, which is always good. But we had spent a night in wherever it was, Valladolid or something like that. Beautiful place.
Yeah. And it was €116.
116 euro.
And what's that?
160, 170, something like that. Ouch. But you get those things.
Yeah. So we're on the road. We're heading to San Sebastian.
We'll be there tomorrow morning. We're going to stop at a place that seems to have a massive slide there.
Yeah. We'll have a little peek. See ya.
When I was stronger, can such a pretty show will steal your heart away. But backstage, back on earth again, the dressing rooms are grey. They come on strong, and it ain't too long for they make you feel a man. But love is blind, and you soon will find you're just a boy again.
At the top of the slide, look at your crazy hair. You ready?
Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that. I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. When you want her lips, you get her chick. Makes you wonder where you are. If you want some more, then she's fast asleep. Leaves you twinkling with the stars. For your ransom.
San Sebastian, the bomb.
Yep. We have been searching all around Spain, all the cities.
For this piece, a little slice
And
of
it just
heaven.
so happens it's the last city before we head back into France.
So we think we might stay here and live here. Sorry, friends, we're not coming home.
100%.
But
This
the,
is-
the apartment I just looked at was 2.5 million euro.
which
So,
means that's a lot Australian.
just a lot. So if Jono could just keep working, I'll happily move here.
Amazing.
We're coming home.
What we have here is the Atlas sandwich. It's evolved over time depending on who we've had with us, what shopping centre we've been to, and what country. But the main thing that we have to remember is that it still tastes amazing.
Say, you'll have to learn just like me, and that's the hardest way. Yeah. I wish that I knew what I know.
What is this for?
It's for birdies.
Yeah,
It's for babies.
yeah.
It's for mama and dad cage.
A cage to put babies in.
And put mommy in
You put mummy in there.
and put daddy in. It's for bombs.
And what do they do?
We put it in there
Yeah,
and shoot people.
do you?
We've eaten lunch here.
Why is that?
The best view I've ever seen in my whole life. This way.
You'll have to learn just like me, and that's the hardest way. Yeah. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, I wish.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Next week, we stop off at some wineries, head to Paris, and take the kids and ourselves to Disneyland. If you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment.